Dylan Oliver with Appalachia Roofing. We're here tackling a 34 square roof, putting on a Moire black shingles with CertainTeed. Right now we're tearing off the roof, tearing all the shingles off, all the felt off. We're gonna replace all the bad wood and everything like that. We're getting a material delivery from YBC with CertainTeed products. They do a great job delivering the shingles to us on the boom, and we unload the shingles from the boom, and it's very convenient using YBC. Alright, so YBC delivered us our shingles and roofing material and everything like that. They're the Shadow Ridge cap shingles and Moire black also. You have your plywood for any rotted decking we got to replace, or 1x12 rotted decking we got to replace. Over here you have your ice and water shield. It's a peelant stick. You can apply it to your eaves and your valleys and everything like that on your roof to protect from ice and water backup and ice and water damage. You have your synthetic underlayment that's a lot better than needle paper felt. It's a lot thicker and it's kind of a little bit expensive too, but it's worth every penny. All of this right here is part of the integrity roof system with CertainTeed. We maintain warranty compliance with CertainTeed. You got to install all these products to be fully covered. So. This is Velux's laminated no-leak skylight. It's a beautiful skylight. It comes with, before you install the skylight, you gotta install a new step flashing with the applicable flashing kit that comes with the skylight, and then shingle to those to the step flashing and everything like that. And then after that, you go through and you carefully lay the skylight down on top of the curb that you pre-built for the skylight.